TJ.
You got it?
Hey, my cousin just called me. He gave me a tip about a baller's car going to San Fierro to score yay.
Shit. We gotta find out who's supplying those cats.
Read your... I picked him up at the Mulholland intersection, and I'm trailing him now.
Okay, I'm coming to meet you.
Better make it fast. These boys aren't hanging around.
Screw you, pal.
Welcome to the Advanced